there's such a mystery about the thing, the fortune telling. So let's discuss what is this fortune telling. So before we start on with the fortune telling thing, so let's talk something about me. Let us let me share my screen with you. Give me a moment. I guess just a moment. Give me something to do. My screen. So I guess I'm facing bit of issues like with my sharing of screen. So let us talk about fortune telling. So fortune telling is an art where we predict the future. We know about our presence. And definitely anybody wants to get into the past things, what is gone behind. So how do we commence and go about fortune telling? So earlier on in the past ages, fortune telling was an art which was limited to people who worked in churches or in temples or places like this. They were attached to divination, you know. So, but now these days, there's so many n number of fortune tellers. I guess all around you. So what do these fortune tellers do? So and why do you go to these fortune tellers? So you want that, you know, everybody wants to know their future, right? And everybody wants to know what is going to happen and how can we make money or how can we stay happy. So but there are certain tools these fortune tellers use. So you must be really acquainted with palmist, maybe astrologers, maybe numerologists. All these are lines where you work in fortune telling. So how do you go about it? So in earlier days when they were using it was all intuition based. It was based on clairvoyancy. So what is clairvoyancy? Clairvoyancy is like people who have really spiritual connections. So they deal, their intuition levels are really high, you know, and they answer you on they used to give answers on uh, fortune telling just on the basis of their intuitive power. So, but these days, you need to study on fortune telling. It should become a subject. So, I think the technical issue has been resolved. So, let me start on with this thing. I want to introduce myself properly to you guys. So, let me share my screen with you. So, coming on to me. Okay. So, I did my post graduation in fine arts and I've been very happily married. And I'm mother of two wonderful grown-up sons. And tarot card came to me very unexpectedly. Like 10 years back, it came into my life, and I started reading tarot cards for people. So after that, I did my grandmasters in Reiki as well, and I became a meditation coach to many of you. And it became, over the period of time, it was like tarot card became my passion. And during all this time, it was not just my other growth, but spiritually I grew like anything. And it helped me when I met n number, I made a connect with those people. So I grew as a person, as a human being. And yes, my family and my friends have been a big support to me, and my intelligence level has grown over the period of time through meeting with other people. So I would say this was something about me. Coming back to what is the today's webinar is going to be all about. So first thing, we are going to discuss, as I was talking to you all about, fortune telling. So what is fortune telling? So we'll be talking something about that. Everybody has questions regarding that, and how does it work? And you know, some people come to me कि क्या ये वाकई होता है? आप जो बताते हो ये होगा? जो लोग थोड़े रियलिस्टिक माइंड से चलते हैं, जो लोग सोचते हैं कि क्या ये चीजें एग्जिस्ट करती हैं या नहीं करती हैं या फिर ये ऐसे ही है. So and there are many people whom I've taught. I've been teaching tarot. मतलब पिछले it's been like 4-5 years I've been teaching tarot to people. And so who all can do it? We need to talk about it. And what is tarot card reading? So many people are not really aware. आज भी it is very common. It has become a very common thing. You might be going to exhibitions where there are many number of tarot card readers every day. But you know, what is tarot card reading? Actually, it is. So we'll be talking about that today. So let us talk the first thing about fortune telling. What is fortune telling? So fortune telling क्या था पिछले जमाने में everybody आप मंदिरों में जाते थे, भगवान की पूजा करते थे, आपको पंडित आपका फ्यूचर बताते थे, वो आपको कुछ मंत्र देते थे, आप यूज करते थे, आप भगवान को प्रे करते थे एंड आपको आपका फ्यूचर पता चल जाता था. एंड वो बट दीज डेज people have chosen it as their profession. And how do they do it? पुराने जमाने में सिर्फ हाईएस्ट लेवल था. आजकल के लोग they work on it because with modern times intelligence has entered in, books have entered in, media has entered. So आप लोग क्या करते हैं, आप उस पर पढ़ाई की कराई जाती है. It has become a subject, especially in Northern America. The fortune telling, the astrology, they are part of your curriculum. So आपको जो पढ़ना चाहता है, जो इसे प्रोफेशन बनाना चाहता है, वो इस पे स्टडी करता है, उसको कुछ टूल्स दिए जाते हैं, उसके लिए एक पेपर सेटअप होता है. एंड डेफिनेटली उस सारे प्रोसेस में आपकी देयर इज अ क्लियरिंग ऑफ योर ऑरास, देयर इज अ स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्ट. ऐसा नहीं है कि वेरी फ्यू पीपल कैन मेक स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्ट, एवरीबडी कैन, बट इट इज योर चोजन फील्ड. एंड कभी भी जो भी काम आप बहुत दिल से करते हैं, बहुत, and when you repeat and practice any work, it becomes an art. So this is why we call it art of fortune telling. So there are many number of fields which you can choose, mediums which you can, I would say, use the word mediums. आप astrologer भी बन सकते हैं, आप न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट भी बन सकते हैं, आप क्रिस्टल गेजर भी बन सकते हैं, आप आई वुड से आप न्यूमरोलॉजी कर सकते हैं. देयर इज कॉल्ड कार्टोमेंसी, जहां से टैरो रीडिंग इमर्ज हुई है, which I have taken it as my profession, tarot reading, So a cartomancy is the study of any kind of cards. So let me take you to the other slide. How do you practice this? So how does it work? तो ये कैसे वर्क करता है? So when you go to an astrologer, a good tarot reader, the first and the foremost thing is वो आपके साथ आपके अपने कोई भी जो टूल्स हैं उनके थ्रू आपके साथ एक कनेक्ट बनाते हैं. When the soul level is very clear, तो वो आपके साथ इतना सुंदर एक कनेक्ट बना के आपको आपके प्रेडिक्शंस देते हैं, जिससे you can have a very happy life and a successful life. As in, let's say somebody comes to me और वो मुझे कहता है प्लीज देखिए कार्ड्स में और बताइए व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेशन शुड आई गो इनटू. सो आई टेल दिस पर्सन कि आप ऐसा कीजिए, आप क्लोथिंग लाइन में चले जाइए, आपके लिए वो बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट देगा. अब वो इंसान मेरे हिसाब से, काम तो उसने बिजनेस कुछ करना ही है, लेकिन वो अगर मैं उसको कुछ बताती हूँ तो उसके लिए वो अच्छा है, तो क्लोथिंग लाइन में चले जाता है. सो 10 years डाउन द लेन वो इंसान बहुत सक्सेसफुल है, उसके पास बहुत मनी है. बिकॉज अगर वो खुद कनेक्ट नहीं बना पाया तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एक टैरो रीडर या एक फॉर्च्यून टेलर के पास जाके अपना भविष्य जान के एंड ही कैन चूज द राइट लाइन. So his energies are what? Channelized. So he has used those energies in a proper manner. He has cleared those auras by using the guidance of a astrologer or a tarot reader. So then comes our next question. So there are so many people who come to me all the time. Okay, this is a very amazing art. So can I learn it? So maybe you all might be having some questions around here. So आपको आता होगा मन में, like, can I do it? Even I like to do it because जैसे जैसे लोग मेरे पास आते हैं मुझसे रीडिंग्स कराते हैं, so they are like astounded by the power of tarot कि इतने से कार्ड्स में आपको कैसे इतना कुछ पता चल जाता है. So the people have this question, even I want to learn it. Many people have this question. So what is my answer to them? Yes, you can see anybody can do it. Even you can do it. Everybody and anybody can do it. So it's not really a rocket science, nothing like that. इसके लिए you need not to have, I would say, you need not to have a big IQs or something like that. It is something which is like spiritual, which is within, inside of everybody. It is like your soul's call. Everybody has this power within themselves. आपके अंदर है, मेरे अंदर है. We are all connected through one soul. So the moment we make a connect with each other, by connecting with ourselves, we are aware of the truth which is covered, which is hidden. So what is fortune telling? It is the truth which we like to uncover. We like cross the dimensions of time, and then we like to know the truth so that we can have a better and a stable lifestyle. So this is a proper usage. अब इसमें अगर आप कहोगे कि is it wrong to know some people are of this viewpoint that it is wrong to know the future. But I guess why it is wrong? It depends on the energies of the astrologer. अब आपके पास एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर अगर आपको पॉजिटिव बात बता रहा है, आपको ठीक तरह आपके एनर्जीज को चैनलाइज करता है, तो वो ही इज डूइंग अ वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल जॉब. Yes, who all can practice it? One who is very calm, who is very concentrated, who is deep down stabilized, and who is spiritually connected to the higher selves. So we come to our next thing, because you all might be having questions about tarot reading. That what is this tarot reading? So you might all be like, my screen is visible to all of you. Like I've opened up this few cards in front of me. So these are called tarot cards. So this is the world famous deck. It is called Rider-Waite deck. So Rider-Waite deck is the most popular. So tarot cards ये कोई आज की नहीं नई चीज नहीं है. It started off in 14th century, but this became part of pop culture in, like, let's say pop culture. It became a part of pop culture in 19th century, और तब ये बहुत common हो गया. And today it is very common in North America, and yes, somewhere around in India also. In India also, I would say it is very, very common. So these are 78 cards, and they predict your future. So आपको अभी सबको बैठे लग रहा होगा कि ये predict कैसे करता है, ऐसे cards कैसे predict करते हैं. So let me tell you. So abhi I'm just seeing there is a person here. I can see him, Lovely. Okay, Lovely. Okay, what kind of person is Lovely? That's a very common thing, I would say. So I'll pick up a card. So I got this card, you know. So this card, I'll bring it like closer to you. It has a picture on it. In this manner, every card has a picture. So this person I'm talking about, she's a very stable person, very balanced woman. She brings with herself the promises of riches. So उसकी लाइफ में वो बहुत कुछ ही ऐसा पाने वाली है, बहुत स्टेबिलिटी, चाहे वो उसके हाउस होल्ड में हो, चाहे वो उसका monetary life हो. She is going to be a good career woman and a good housewife as well. So this woman is a very balanced woman. It is telling इसकी energies बहुत strong है, very pure, very positive. So this is the way the tarot cards gives us insight into somebody's future. Like this person might not be working, जिसकी हमने बात की अभी, पर वो फ्यूचर में जाकर वर्क करेंगी. Definitely, this card is telling me, because उनमें एक बैलेंस है, वर्क का बैलेंस एंड घर का बैलेंस. बट कई लोग होते हैं, अगर वो वर्क करते हैं तो वो घर का सिस्टम भूल जाते हैं. बट दिस वुमन इज टोटली बैलेंस. सो दिस इज द वे द कार्ड्स टेल अस. सो अभी अगर हम आजकल जैसे कोरोना पेंडेमिक है, इतना ज्यादा है, एवरीबडी इज सो वरिड. सो हो सकता है आप लोग बहुत वरिड हो, पर हमारी एनर्जीज, व्हाट वी वर्क हियर एज क्लेयरवॉयंट्स और टैरो कार्ड रीडर्स और लाइट वर्कर्स, जो नाम दिया जाता है, तो वो लोग कहते हैं कि कैसी एनर्जीज हैं, जबकि ये एनर्जीज बहुत अच्छे के लिए आई हैं. यू नो ये जो कोरोना पेंडेमिक आया है, it is definitely going to bring big good times in the future. The whole of the universe is going to be balanced, and you will see an emergence of definitely feminine power, जो हमारे कार्ड्स कहते हैं, जो मेरे कार्ड्स मुझे मैसेज देते हैं. So अब we come to the next thing. So अब ये tarot cards क्या हम यूज कर सकते हैं? How can we use them? How can we study them? So it is like, if I say so, ये कार्ड्स की जो स्टडी है ये बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है एंड बहुत जल्दी होती है. तो लेकिन उसको अगर हमने आर्ट बनाना है, उसको अगर हमने एक सब्जेक्ट बनाना है, तो उसको एक सब्जेक्ट की तरह ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा. तो उसको पढ़ने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? बिल्कुल आप ये क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे कि अब ये तो बहुत लंबा कोर्स होगा. नहीं, ये बहुत लंबा कोर्स नहीं है. इट इज जस्ट अ कोर्स लाइक ऑफ 5 days टाइम. So आपको 5 days में you become to at an intermediate, you come to an intermediate level. This is a card study of 78 cards. इस पे कुछ एक pictures की photographs होती हैं, and you make those from those 78 cards. Definitely you learn those pictures, you understand the concept of behind those pictures, and you make a connection. The biggest word here would be the connection. चाहे आप खुद से जब भी कनेक्शन बनाएंगे, चाहे आप अपने आसपास वाले लोगों के साथ जब भी कनेक्शन बनाएंगे, जैसे मैंने इस टाइम आप इतने लोगों के साथ में जुड़ी हुई हूँ. सो मैं इस चीज की स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर हूँ कि जब भी हम लोगों के साथ जुड़ते हैं उसका कुछ कारण होता है. तो ये नहीं है कि मैं अगर जुड़ी हुई हूँ इतने लोगों से तो उसका कुछ और हायर सेल्फ से वो मैसेज मुझे आ रहा था. सो आप समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, आज हम इतने लोग अगर जुड़े हैं, यहाँ पे हमारी मर्जी नहीं है, यहाँ पे कोई और ही यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी होती है. बट जब भी हम फॉर्च्यून टेलिंग में जाते हैं एज अ प्रोफेशन या किसी भी रीडर के पास जाते हैं, तो जो क्वेरेंट होता है, क्वेरेंट इज द पर्सन हु इज आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन, तो जो क्वेरेंट होता है, तो वो क्वेरेंट बहुत फेथ के साथ जाए, वो उसको जज नहीं करे। अगर आप में फेथ है, अगर आप में बिलीफ है, first connect word is here, I would say the first word is connect, make a connect. The second word would be faith, and the third would be belief. आप में अगर ये तीन चीजें हैं, तो फेथ और बिलीफ में क्या फर्क है? आप कहेंगे दोनों ही एक सिनोनिम हो सकते हैं, तो नहीं, ये दोनों सिनोनिम नहीं है। फेथ इज लाइक अनडिवाइडेड फेथ, बिलीफ है जो हमने खुद से जनरेट किया। अगर आप जाते हैं, आपका बिलीफ है अपने फेथ पे, फेथ इज लाइक अनडिवाइडेड, नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड। जो लोग क्वेश्चनेबल, ये नहीं है कि आप आके इसको क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे। लेट्स से समबडी ऑफ यू माइट बी सेइंग मैं तो बिलीव ही नहीं करती, मैं तो इन सब चीजों में बिलीव नहीं करता या करती, बट दैट्स ओके, दैट्स ओके। द मोमेंट यू विल मेक अ कनेक्ट विद इट, विद ऑल दीज कार्ड्स, आपका बिलीव खुद ब खुद हो जाए। बिकॉज कई बार ये कार्ड्स आप तक रीच आउट करते हैं। मैं बिलीव करती थी, मैं शुरू से स्पिरिचुअल थी, पर ये कार्ड्स खुद ब खुद उन्होंने मुझे चूज किया, रेकी ने मुझे खुद ब खुद चूज किया। हम नहीं चीजों को चूज करते, लाइक वी नेवर चोज टू मीट विद ईच अदर, टू मेक अ कनेक्शन विद ईच अदर, बट लाइक the universal, there's some universal force which is working, and the only thing is we need to keep our faith and our beliefs alive. And yes, Anji, please.
Yeah. Sorry. Please continue.
No. Please. If you have some questions.
No, I will ask my question when you end up. Yeah. Please continue.
No, the thing is now we'll see because this is something maybe the next slide, please. So we are today like, so what is this? We'll be talking, as I told you, it is a very long topic. हम इस पे जितना चाहे बात कर सकते हैं। मेरा ये फेवरेट टॉपिक है, मैं स्पिरिचुअलिज्म के साथ बहुत सालों से जुड़ी हुई हूँ, एंड यस आई वुड रियली लाइक टू स्प्रेड दिस, बट एवरीबडी शुड वर्क ऑन देयरसेल्फ। इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेक अ कनेक्ट विद योरसेल्फ, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर हम ये कनेक्ट अपने साथ बनाते हैं, ये हम सारा काम करें, मुझे लगता है हमें सब कुछ करना चाहिए। वी शुड मेक मनी, वी शुड वर्क फॉर द आवर फैमिलीज हैप्पीनेस, बट उससे पहले अगर हम डीप डाउन वी आर कनेक्टेड विद आवरसेल्व्स, it is very important. That is a message I want to definitely spread to you all. सुबह अपने आप को जरूर, हर इंसान को 10 से 15 मिनट खुद को जरूर देने चाहिए for your personal self. And if anybody of you is like really interested in learning tarot as a subject, और इसको कौन लर्न कर सकता है? सबसे बड़ी बात, सबसे ज्यादा फायदा मैंने बहुत देखा है आजकल। I just taught recently a 18-year-old girl, you know, very young girl. So she learned it, you know why? Because she said कि इस तरह से I will become the most popular girl of the class. So I said okay fine. So this was her reason. Because जब आप किसी के लिए रीडिंग देते हैं, so this is a very mystical science. So सब they get like very impressed. So everybody wants to be friendly friends. So the students can make money. Like she is going for her education to America. Like तो वो कहती मेरी पॉकेट मनी इसमें से निकल आया करेगी. So yes, she can choose it as her profession. So बहुत से लोग हैं जो टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग को अपने प्रोफेशन बनाते हैं. Even I do it professionally. And so how do I go about it? तो उन लोगों को कैसे इसका करना है कोर्स? So it is just a 1-week course. So if we do online class, then we take up a 1-hour class every day. इस चीज में आपको बहुत कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव तरीके से 78 कार्ड्स पढ़ाए जाएंगे. And in case somebody has a problem regarding understanding or whatever, then you can take more classes also. So what all we do, इसमें बहुत spreads होते हैं. You know, this art has come from Europe. So इस पे European traits होंगे, तो हम आपको पहले थोड़ी बहुत history भी पढ़ाएंगे उसकी. So and then we'll work on your spiritual growth also, because this is very important. वैसे तो जैसे जैसे आप ये cards करते जाएंगे, read करते जाएंगे, आपकी spiritual growth होती जाएगी. So I guess I'm really clear in what I wanted to convey to you all people. I hope so. If like yes. Anand, you have some questions?
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much. And tarot has been one of my very favorite topics since very long, and I've been following your readings and everything. So I have list of questions prepared. I hope I can ask you a few of my questions.
Yes. You can.
Okay, my first question, which I have been thinking since very long, is there is any really difference between readings in astrology and tarot card reading?
No, not really, because both are like the sciences which work on predictory portions, and in both the sciences, your intuition powers and your the only thing is of the subject matter, the subject or the course. I would say the difference between the course, the astrology. I do astrology as well, you know. So astrology is based all about Vedic shastras of Indian thing, while as this tarot comes from European thing. So, and it is more of tarot is pictorial. Astrology is all about some calculations. So that is the only difference. But yes, both things work on energy.
Okay, perfect. And I was wondering, like, I was sitting one of the professors from a university. So, according to him, he said that tarot or astrology does not have few life processes involved into it. So, like, for example, maybe a medical ailment or something like that. So, I would like to know which all life processes are not involved in tarot or astrological reading.
You mean to say the life processes of health? I mean, I didn't get your question properly.
Life process, as in maybe medical ailments, or maybe death, or maybe anything like life processes of an human being, which tarot or astrology cannot predict.
No, they can predict everything. But you know, it is a big responsibility. Like somebody comes to me for a reading and they ask me, okay, like my father is not very well. So do you see what is the future is going to be? So when I open the cards and I see there's a card is telling me the person has like come to his life's journey. It is an end to his life journey, you know. But
Okay.
if I tell my querent, जो वो सामने बैठे हैं, मैं उनको, if I tell him, okay, your father is going to go away. His father is, I can see his father is going to pass away in another 6 months time. But those 6 months will be definitely very tiring for you, for that person who's come to me. So it is my responsibility not to tell him, not to cause him undue pain. But yes, whether it's astrology, whether it's tarot, you get to see everything. It depends on the reader, what you want to answer and how much you want to answer.
Okay, perfect. For all the people who are in this webinar, I would like to tell them, you can just put up your question with your name in my personal private chat box. I will take the questions one by one, and so that it does not create any kind of confusion. So my next question, Ms. Shweta, is like, is tarot a certified science, something like that?
Yes, it is certified. I am myself a certified tarot card reader. I am myself a certified Reiki healer. And yes, it is totally certified. You can open up the books. What is certified thing? First tell me. When there
Certified science, yeah.
Yeah, like certified science, when there's so many books written on it. There's so much of research done on it, you know. So definitely it becomes a certified thing. So why are people working so much on it? Like everything has its pro and con. How are you using it? How is the tarot rider like using it? So it depends. It depends. But it is a certified. What you ask.
Perfect. What about maybe you must be doing readings for couples and everything. So do you get relationship reading queries, something like that?
Sometimes I just don't do readings because I get couples, they are badly disturbed. And I just see their cards. What is the disturbance going to be? And how is it going to affect them? Is this relationship going to end up in divorce? But yes, through tarot, I have helped many a number of couples who have who have gone to a better relationship, and it has helped them to work hard. Like they have worked really hard on them. I've counseled them, and today they are living I guess a very beautiful life together and not fighting all the time. So it's a
okay.
So
Good.
yes.
Okay. Secondly, right now we are into the difficult situation of COVID-19. So people are bit of anxious and desperate to know that how we can get out of this situation, maybe in time to come. So how does tarot sees it in coming future about the COVID-19?
Okay, you want to know something about the COVID, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you want to see, the condition of India or worldwide?
Maybe worldwide, yes.
Okay, the worldwide, COVID situation in 2019 got that in the present times, in the coming future. So presently, I believe in the just present thing, the situations are very much controlled, you know. But
Okay.
in the background, I do feel there is a bit of restlessness going on in the universe. So in the coming months, please don't be alarmed, all of you. So in the coming months, especially till somewhere around June end, June 1st
Okay.
week to June end, I do see some rise in this COVID-19 all over the world. So,
Okay.
so you need to, if whether the lockdowns have opened, whatever, you need to be indoors. So I guess please take care of yourself. June is going to be really a tough month, but yes, the situation might get under control by August end or September. Yes, but the later it will go till the, I guess the whole it will cover in 2020. It will be whole. You will see the effects of COVID-19.
Perfect. We have one question from Loveleen. She's asking about her married life. You can just guide her about.
Okay, Loveleen's got the married life. Okay. Okay, so you know there's this card. I'll show it to Loveleen if she's there. So it's a very beautiful card, very beautiful, which we really like, which I have always in love with. Like it is like very full of this. Everybody has a married life, but some married lives like are based on other things. There is like pure love, you know, where this Loveleen is in a relationship where they are giving growth to both of each other. It's a mutual relationship, very beautiful relationship, and I do see that if Loveleen has been recently married, then I do see that she's going to get into family way soon. So yes, it's a good card for her.
Perfect. I have another question. The name has not been mentioned, but somebody has asked me, can you please tell me, ma'am, about my career? I would just request the concerned person if you can just put up her name, so that she can do it. Till that time, we can take up another question. It's from Amit Mehra. He's asking, from 2015, financial issues came in business. Maybe he has got many losses into it. Can you please guide him about it, Amit Mehra?
Okay, Amit Mehra. Amit Mehra's business in 2015 and his future, present condition, and his future. Amit, I guess in 2015 you entered into some kind of partnerships. So those partnerships have not been really very favorable for you, or you have made whatever new deals you entered into, they were not really favorable for you, like in 2015. So so those were not really right decisions what you made in 2015. After that, somewhere around that, right now things are like really, especially since October, it has been really bad. I can see what my cards are telling me. But till February, honestly telling you, things will change somewhere around after February. Till February, you need to make certain decisions, how to go about it, how to go about your financial issues. After February, I do see that things will be far better for you. So yes, definitely after February, things are going to be really, really good for you. So anybody else?
He's asking February 2020, right?
Yes, February 2021.
21, obviously 21. Sorry, yeah. Okay. I guess I have another question. She's Pinky. She's asking about her career.
Pinky, right?
Yeah.
So, Pinky's question is about her career. Okay, Pinky. Pinky, you have a lot of competition on your hand right now. I do see that you want to be really successful badly. That everybody does, right? But you, whatever you're trying to work upon, you are facing a lot of competition, be it home level, be it like outer level, everywhere you're facing a lot of problems. So what you need to do is like you need to make certain compromises in your workplace. One thing, whatever the work you choose. So don't honestly think that things will fall into place because of the way you want. You will have to you will have to make certain compromises. The career can be good, but it needs time. You need to leave your apprehensions, और आपको अपनी कुछ जिद छोड़नी होगी बहुत ज़्यादा. तो अगर आप अपनी जिद छोड़ते हो, things will really be very good for you. You can be very successful. And yes, talk to your family about certain issues, and your colleagues also, who are really causing pain in your decisions. आप उनको अपनी बात समझाने की कोशिश कीजिए, please.
Okay, we have another question. It's from Rima. She wants she wants to generally ask about her cards.
Okay, so Rima, what is her present life going about? So I do see that in the coming times she'll be working a lot, and that work is going to bring her a lot of money, definitely. And one day she'll be really, I do see her future as well, because her son might join in that work of hers, and she's not going to just invest herself in one of the work. She'll be working at a time, she'll be investing herself in three sort of work, from where she might enter into export business as well. So I guess it is a very good cards for Rima. So
perfect.
Who else?
Okay. Another questions. Vikram from Jammu is asking, like, he is 27 years old, and what about his job?
Okay. So Vikram from Jammu. And his questions regarding his job. Vikram, I do see that you're a very strong-willed man. That's really good. You know, you have so much of energy within yourself that and there's such a driving force आपने कि आपने कुछ करना है, and you want to do, and I guess you will achieve whatever you want, but not in the I guess in your job. Has there been a disturbance in your job? I do see क्या मुझे लग रहा है कि कहीं आपकी जॉब में कोई प्रॉब्लम आया है, आपको कोई अल्टीमेटम दिया गया in your job. So since you are not really in front of me, so I'll have to ask you certain questions. But after the end of June this year, there is going to be coming a person in your life जो आपको आपकी जॉब में स्टेबिलिटी देगा, या आपको कुछ ऑफर आएगी जॉब में. So you will really feel yourself at a better place. हाँ, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको अपनी एनर्जीज बहुत क्लियरली सेंटर्ड रखनी पड़ेगी. उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को बड़े ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा, एंड ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा. जो इस टाइम आपको लग रहा है कि आपने जिन पे ट्रस्ट किया था, उन लोगों ने आपको बहुत ज्यादा अंडरस्टैंड नहीं किया, और आपकी जो शायद आपके साथ किसी तरह का कुछ गलत भी हुआ. सो यू आर नॉट रियली इनटू ट्रस्टिंग मोर, बट आई गेस you will have to trust. So
we have more questions. Pinky is again asking. Pinky, I guess she has answered about your career. If anything else you want to ask, you can ask that. Loveleen is again with the question, which she is asking, like, what is my future in tarot if I opt for this profession?
Okay, what is the future if she wants to opt for tarot as a professional reader? So, you know, this is again for her. I guess her cards are really answering well. So again for her, it's like a world card. So this is the card which tells you through tarot, your ultimate journey. What is हमारी ultimate journey क्या है? मोक्ष. You know, I guess through tarot, तो आप अपनी ultimate journey finish कर पाएंगे. So it is a very good opportunity for you, and it will clearly bring a lot of balance in your life.
Perfect. Again, we have a question from Chavi. What are the areas where I can naturally excel?
Okay, Chavi's question is, what are the areas where she can excel in her life? Okay, you can really excel. It's a very good question actually. So you can really, and the cards are answering very well, very strange cards, but you can really excel at helping people who are in trouble. And you can do that by bringing a balance in their lives. So for you, it's a big task. Maybe the Almighty has chosen for you for bigger purpose. So you can really excel at those things. So where people are tied up, where people are maybe health issues, maybe emotional issues, you need to bring about a kind of a balance in their life. Okay, so
perfect. Yeah. There is a message from Supports iPhone. I would just request if Support iPhone can mention his or her name. till that, again, Loveleen has one of the questions. Till we get their name, we can take Loveleen's question, which is, does tarot tell about aura? If yes, can you please tell me something about tarot?
The aura or the tarot? What?
Does tarot tell about aura?
Aura. First thing is, Loveleen's question is, can tarot tell you about your aura? So, it definitely does. You know, from this card, I can tell you what kind of aura you have. You have an aura, Loveleen, you have an aura of where you like a very homebody. You might be a very working woman or something like that. I don't know really about you, but you are a woman who's the most happy when you are at home. And the people around you, you keep that, you have that very beautiful aura of nurturing. So that is the aura you kind of have. And what else you want to know?
Second is, if yes, then can you please tell me something about tarot? Again.
What is tarot all about?
Yeah.
So tarot is like I am opening up cards from you for sitting afar, and you're all putting up your names in this chat box, and I'm answering your questions. So, and just look at the way we are making connect with each other and how the cards are answering. So for some, the cards are telling that there are some difficult times which are going to come in the near future, and for some it is like the good news where the family is going to grow. So this is the way we make a connect with the cards, and this is the way we read these pictures. All those pictorial things we read and we answer from few people. But it does help in your spiritual growth, you know. Naveen, so if you want to learn it, it will definitely help you. Moreover, what I can see from your cards, you're already somewhere spiritually inclined. So that answers your questions. What else? Did anybody has a question?
Yeah, there are a few more questions. Arpana Thakur is asking, we are planning for a child. Can they do that? Is the right time?
Arpana Thakur. She has a question. Arpana Thakur and Arpana, now would not be the time to conceive a child. I guess 10. If you conceive the child somewhere around October, that would be really, really good. That would be really a good time, and the energies in the universe are going to be really good. So I would really suggest you to conceive the child somewhere around October. Not right now. There are some moon energies which are in the sky universe right now, who are not working in your favor.
Okay. Another question which comes up is Somnath Thakur on PhD completion. Maybe he must be undergoing PhD. So he's talking about PhD completion.
Okay. Somnath Thakur's question is all about PhD. Oh, Somnath, I guess you will be very easily you will be able to complete like your PhD completion somewhere around in February. Before February, also you can finish it off. Yeah, you need, and it is going to come. Let me tell you, it is going to come very wonderful. Your PhD is going to bring really wonderful results, and you are going to be really, I guess, every teacher of yours, every guide in your PhD is going to really claim you or whatever. For that PhD, you are going to be really, I don't know the word also. So yes, it is going to, you're going to finish it off by the end of this year.
Done. Support iPhone, I guess she has mentioned she's Kanika Bansal and she's asking you about her health and business also, both of it.
Okay. So she right now health and business.
Business.
Yes. So her health is like fine, I would say. Health is going to grow for the better, definitely. She's like, I can see she must have taken some health measures. So she's working on her health thing, and definitely it is going to go better, all the more better. Regarding business, I guess I do see some sort of problems in business, as in they are right now not utilizing the energies. They are too much in the giving mode. So rather than giving, they need to take. It's like not an equality. In a business thing, there need to be an equal thing. How much you're putting the input, the output has to be equal. So you are putting more of your input, the output is less. So stop that. It is something, a decision you will have to take. Your decisions are not right now. In business, we don't work with emotions. You need to work with, I guess, like more of practicality, some policies. Your policies are right now not in a very balanced mode. So you need to work on your policies.
Okay. We have a few questions from Geeta Sabharwal. We'll divide it into different parts. One is like she wants to know about husband's business, and
Okay.
second question she has is regarding her daughter's job. She's searching for a paid internship. Geeta Sabharwal.
Okay. Geeta Sabharwal. Her question, Geeta Sabharwal, is about her husband's business in the coming times, and husband's business and her daughter's paid internship. So right now, her husband's business, I would tell Geeta that it is very somehow mismanaged, maybe because of the COVID-19. You know, things are not really very promising. But you will see by the end of December 2020, her husband will be like a rich man. The business is going to be huge. There's going to so much like big money is going to come her husband's way. So I guess that really makes her happy. It makes a day. And regarding her daughter's internship, that might happen somewhere, paid internship, that might happen somewhere around after 13th of January 21. Not right now. So, but because, and before that, she'll have to really work hard on herself. Her daughter's paid internship. So I guess that answers her questions. What else?
Yeah. Like Pinky is again asking question. I'm unmarried. I want to get married. Can you tell me about my marriage?
Okay. Pinky's question is Gautam and Nazir Hasha that she wants to get married. When she get married. Pinky, there is a person. मेरे को लगता है आपको एक रिश्ता आ रहा है and आएगा soon आएगा in 6 months, 1 year, 6 to 1 year time. हो सकता है that you might not like, पूरा मन नहीं हो इस रिश्ते पे, but I guess आप थोड़ा सा please take it an interest in that relation because वो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. So in 1 year time, I do see that you are going to get married, and you just need to please channelize your energies. I will again say that, be it in your work and be it in your relationship.
Okay. Again, Rashmi has one of the questions. I want to know about my daughter's admissions under graduation.
Okay. Rashmi's question. She wants to know about her daughter's admission for graduation. So I guess easily her daughter won't get into admissions into where they are looking for. They won't get into it. So, but her husband, Rashmi's husband, has to work something along with higher authorities in the admission process. So, and if he talks about her admission process with some kind of higher authorities, and then it will really work. Wherever Rashmi wants, she can get her daughter admitted in whatever institution she wants it. Okay.
Perfect. Rachna Dogra is again asking the same question. Like PhD, would she be able to do in the same stipulated time frame if she can complete the PhD? Rachna Dogra.
And can Rachna Dogra make her do her PhD in the same stipulated time? What has to be given, or will it take more time? Rachna, you can do it. The stipulated time you have been given, you can easily do that. But the thing is, you are not really clear how you want to go about it. So please do nicely, and by January, I guess you'll be able to do it. Only the thing is, you have the zeal to do it, but compile your subject very nicely, compile your notes, and you will finish it off.
Perfect. Harleen has one of the questions. She wants to ask about her brother's career and marriage.
Okay. Harleen's question is about her brother, marriage, and career. Okay. Harleen, I do see your brother getting married very soon. And even career, he will choose the career which he wants. He will not make compromises on that. One thing is for sure. And he has soon like filled up things for those also. And he'll be very, very successful in his career life because it is of his own choice. You know, some people make choices in careers, but this man doesn't. So he's very clear about his career. Marriage thing, it might happen somewhere. If you start looking right now also, it might happen somewhere after September, anytime soon. And if not, then you have the जिसे कहते हैं ना open हुआ हुआ है कुछ ग्रह चक्कर is like from August September तक नहीं तो it will move to next August. So you make a choice. अगर आप जल्दी करना चाहते हैं तो इस साल कर दीजिए नहीं तो फिर next August तक जाएगी उसकी marriage.
Perfect. There is a question from Neelam, and it is again one of my interest area also. Does tarot shows the same reading every time, or it is different readings or something like that? How does the energy works?
So, you know, I will tell you a very magical thing about tarot. You know, some people come to me, they want to judge tarot. Is this art answering you well or not? First thing. So for them, I have seen many a times कि cards answer करना ही बंद हो जाते हैं. They become all muddled. They will never give you even the tarot reader, they'll stop making a connect with you. And अगर कोई आके आपसे पूछता है एक ही question, so they answer you like if you come after 10 days it is fine. But अगर आप दोबारा से उसको सिर्फ चेक करने आए हो कि क्या मेरा आंसर सेम था, तो cards won't answer you because you are not. When I started off with my talk, I used 3 words: connect, faith, and belief. So you need to have faith and belief in these tarot cards. Only then they are going to answer you. And जो आपको अभी answer करे, let me tell you, even I don't know. It's been like 11 years I've been doing it. I studied it as a subject. But how do these cards answer you bang on? I am not aware.
Perfect. We will take next 3 questions and we'll not take more questions because it will extend the session too much. So I'm taking the last 3 questions. Sonia is asking, my first baby is of 13 years old. Do we plan another baby?
Her third baby is of 13 years old.
Yeah.
Okay. Because 13 years old. Sonia's question is, Sonia and her last third baby, 13 years old. Should they plan for another child or should they not? Honestly, Sonia, I don't think so that you should. You are living in an illusionary world or you have like so much of expectation of certain things. But I guess going for a 4th child is not something my card is telling. Rather, my card is telling that you move from all this. ये चीज आपको having another child is like आपको बहुत ज़्यादा problematic कर रही है. You will have to move on from all this thought process. So I guess this is your answer. What else?
Okay. We have a new question from Shweta Goenka. Can I start my work during this COVID or should I wait?
Okay. Shweta Goenka's question is, should she start her work in COVID-19 or should she start her work after that? Shweta, you will. It is not that whether you should. You have already kind of started your work. So COVID-19 is a very long process going to be. Let me tell you. So you will before December you will definitely start your work. But as of proper form, your work will come into form by April 2021 in formation. So, but you will prepare for your work in this year itself. So in COVID-19, you will start your work.
Okay, we're taking the last question from Chavi. She's asking, should I encourage my daughter in computers?
Okay, Chavi's question is, should she encourage her daughter to work in computers? I don't think so, Chavi. I don't think so. You should not. She'll be feeling very inadequate in computers, so don't really encourage her in working computers at all. So.
Yeah, we'll see. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So I guess we are done with the questions, or anybody else?
Yeah, we have taken the questions, and I guess we are done with all the discussion and all. But surely, I would personally like to undergo this tarot card reading course because it seems wonderful. Knowledge point of view also, and point of view to deliver it across to the people around you is a perfect mixture of spirituality and considering the energy of cards which goes around us. So first of all, I would like to thank you so much taking your time out and, delivering us a wonderful session and taking our lots of questions. And I feel that it would be a great uh, support when it comes to people knowing about their future and all those things. And I would like to thank you so much.
And all
And
thanks
it
to
has
you,
been a great session.
and all thanks to these people who have really attended my webinar. I'm really thankful to all of you, and a really, really big thanks. I am really because this, and thanks to this universe as well, because this universe made it possible. So yes.
Perfect. Before ending the session, I would like to tell everybody that if they can opt, if they want to opt for the course, they can opt for the course. You will receive a SMS and you will get an 20% right now discount. You immediately if you can offer if you opt for this course. Secondly, please do follow the Instagram links of Skillcraft as well as Shweta. So we have tagged her in few of the stories. You can find her link and put up your experience out here. So that would be great motivation for all of us around. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, Skillcraft. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
Yeah, you too, all of you.
Thank you.
Stop.